Ingredients: mango pulp 400 gram, oil 1 tablespoon, onion seed 1/4 teaspoon, mustard seeds 1/4 teaspoon, allspice powder 1/4 teaspoon, red chili 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, brown sugar 100 gram, vinegar to tablespoon. Cooking directions: heat oil in a pan and add onion seed, mustard seeds, allspice powder, and red chili. Mix well. Add mango pulp and cook on low flame for a few minutes. Add salt, cover it, and cook for 5 minutes. Mash the mango and add sugar and vinegar. Cook for 7 minutes on low flame. Then boil for 2 minutes. When mixture is thick, remove from flame and leave to cool. Pour the chutney in jar and keep refrigerated. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.